Hey, you learning Portuguese? Let me teach you some expressions you can't easily find in your books. The first expression is cor de burro fugido. Cor de burro fugido. It literally means the color of a donkey that ran away. And it is used to define a color that is hard to define. Usually it is some sort of boring shade of beige, light brown. It's usually washed out and it's a boring, hard to name color. Cor de burro fugido. Example in a sentence. Que parede feia, tem uma cor de burro fugido. What an ugly wall, it has the color of a donkey that ran away. The second one is não cheira nem fede. Não cheira e nem fede. And it means it doesn't smell good, but it doesn't stink either. You can use it for something that you don't really love, but it doesn't bother you. Example in a sentence. Você gosta desse restaurante? Ah, não cheira nem fede. Do you like this restaurant? Yeah, doesn't smell good, doesn't stink either. It's okay. The third one is dá teus pulos. Dá teus pulos. And it literally means give your jumps. For this one, it's find a way, make it happen. Example in a sentence. Eu não acho que eu consiga terminar esse trabalho. Dá teus pulos. I don't think I can finish this job. Give your jumps. Make it happen. The two I saved for last are a bit offensive, so be careful if you use them, okay? So, the first one is mais burro que uma porta. Mais burro do que uma porta. And it literally means dumber than a door, more stupid than a door. It is used to talk about someone who is extremely stupid, someone who speaks nonsense. For example, ele é mais burro que uma porta. He's more stupid than a door. The last one is fez igual a sua cara. Fez igual a sua cara. And this is one that I particularly love, and I use it with myself whenever I do something wrong or something stupid. It literally means you did that just like your face. So at the same time, you're calling the person stupid and ugly. Don't go around and use that one with people, okay? It's a bit offensive. But sometimes you're like, meu Deus, eu lavei a louça igual a minha cara. Oh my God, I did the dishes just like my face. You know, you did the dishes, but then you notice there's still something dirty. And you can replace the verb fazer with any other verb for the action that was performed. Okay? So, for example, fiz o dever de casa igual a minha cara. I did the homework just like my face. It's poorly done. And it also implies that the person who did it is ugly. To learn more Portuguese, you can follow me here and schedule a lesson and let me know in the comments which expression you liked best.